Hi, Ryan Amon, LovelandPersonalTrainer.com. Here I am on a Saturday. I'm going to the movie Hangover. Yep, and I'm also going to get a soda, and I'm going to get some popcorn, and it's going to be a great time. And you know what? I've got to be honest. With my program, Lose 12 Inches in 12 Workouts, you can eat what you want and when you want and enjoy it, and you've got to enjoy life. It's called eating the right foods at the right time. Give me a call, 303-652-7794. Taking you straight to the top. Got my soda, got my popcorn, we're going to enjoy the movies. With my program, you can eat whatever you want and when you want, okay? In moderation, that's the secret, moderation. Ryan Amon, Loveland Personal Trainer. Okay, just got done watching the movie Hangover, and man, it was good. I mean, it was so good, but you know what was also good? That soda and that popcorn I had, so now what I've got to do, I've got to go work this off, okay? You know what I mean? I got to go do something. Run in place. What doesn't matter? I'm going to go find something to do to burn off those calories so it doesn't get stored as body fat. Ryan Amon, LovelandPersonalTrainer.com.